Meet CYBRSHOCK, a bolt-on rear damping for Cybertruck. The CYBRSHOCK is first ever suspension kit engineered and designed specifically for the Tesla Cybertruck by Unplugged Performance. It aims to enhance ride quality and body control, particularly when towing, hauling, or off-roading. The kit is designed to work in conjunction with the Cybertruck's factory suspension, including the air suspension, rear steer system, and ride height adjustability. This ensures that all original functionalities are maintained while adding additional damping control. The CYBRSHOCK reduces the bouncy response typical of the Cybertruck's stock suspension, especially on rough terrain or when carrying heavy loads. It provides a more settled rear end that resets faster after bumps, improving overall stability and control.